Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. You're watching Pollen's Vanity Crib, and today's video is all about kaKILAYan. I know guys, kilay is life. So to know more about this guys, please do keep on watching. Ngayon lang natin mag-uusapan all about kilay kasi alam niyo naman ako, hindi na ako masyadong perfect magkilay talaga. And ito lang talaga yung mga yun yung mga hindi ko talaga ma-share kasi alam ko naman na mas madami kayong nakikita or napapanood sa YouTube na magaling ka magkilay guys. Yun. So ngayon, gusto kong pag-usapan natin about kilay kasi recently, ubos na kasi yung mga products ko na ginagamit about my eyebrows. And I know, for the past mga tutorials ko, na-share ko na naman sa inyo kung ano yung madalas kong ginagamit. Pero this time, magka-try tayo ng bago. And sobra talagang gustong-gusto ko siyang itry kasi lagi ko siya nakikita kay Heart Evangelista, kay Kim Chu. And I think this brand is super promising. And nag-enter lang siya siguro by this year lang talaga sa makeup industry. So, I'm talking about the Teviant, guys. Yan. Sobrang ganda ng kanilang packaging. As you can see, kapag magpunta kayo sa mall, actually, available pa lang sila sa SM Mega Mall. Yan. So, nag-ask din ako dun kay ate kung saan pa sila available ng mga branches, but luckily, dun pa lang sila available. Yan. So, bakit ko bang sinabing promising brand to? Kasi, sobrang ganda niya. At the same time, siguro nasa mid-range lang siya ng presyo. Hindi siya super affordable. Hindi naman siya super high-end. You know what I mean? Na parang, pag bumili ako ng Anastasia Beverly Hills, it's cost me around 2,500 for a, or 1,500 for a eyebrows. So, siya, nasa mid-range lang siya. Iniisip ko, kapresyo lang niya si K-Palette. Mga ganun lang na presyo niya. Well, anyway, so ano ba yung mga kinuha ko na variants dun sa Teviant? Yan. So, kumuha ko ng isang set for the eyebrows. Kasi nga lately, talaga naghahanap ako ng eyebrow product. Yan. So, kumuha ko ng eyebrow powder, ng eyebrow mascara, and syempre yung tint nila. Yan. So, anyway, mag-insert ako ng clip dito kung paano ko siya ginawa. Yan. So, let's watch this. Hinahan ko muna yung kilay ko dun sa upper and lower part para magkaroon lang tayo ng parang drawing na yun yung susundan natin to fill in the brows. Yan. So, ang dami kong sparse area sa aking eyebrow. So, yun yung pinifill in ko, guys. And, una muna nalagay ko yung tint kasi it's long-lasting because it's a tint. Yan. So, mabura man yung pinato ko dun sa unahan, at least, yung kanyang base is nandun pa rin kasi nga, it's a waterproof, yung tint. Then, after that, yung mga sparse area, after kong itint, hindi ko naman siya fully ititint lahat. Kasi I used really yung product ng powder para siya na yung mag-fill in dun sa mga kailangan kong i-fill in or siya na talaga yung mag-full brows yung powder. Then, after that, syempre, to complete the look, lalagyan ko siya ng brow mascara para naman pumanta yung kulay ng aking eyebrow mascara doon sa kulay ng mga products na nilagay ko sa base ng aking eyebrows. Yan. So, anyway, so let's see what the packaging looks like. The packaging looks like this. It's a peachy, parang rosy gold type of packaging. Sobrang slick and sobrang ganda ng packaging, guys. And pwede mo lang siyang itabi sa mga high-end na mga makeup brands in the States. Diba yung mga Anastasia Beverly Hills? Ano pa yung mga ganda na Tarte? Like that, diba? So, the man behind this is Albert Cornyawan. Yan. He is a celebrity makeup artist. Nakita nyo siya sa mga artista na siya yung nagme-makeup talaga. And he is behind this beautiful Teviant. Yeah. So, sobrang ganda ng Teviant na to. So, anyway, the packaging looks like this. Pag tinurn mo siya dito, nakalagay lang, by the way, ang nakalagay dito is Teviant eyebrow tint and the color is herself. This is the lightest shade, I believe, yung nakuha ko because I have a light color kasi nga may highlights ako when I bought this. And yun. So, this is light brown, guys. And when you turned around, Nakalagay dito www.teviant.com yung website nila. Then here at the side, yung presyo which is $795. And I bought this in SM Mega Mall. Doon pa lang meron silang kiosk. And then manufacturing date is November 2018. And then the expiration is November 2021. So when you turn around again, nandito yung mga information that you want to know about the Teviant tint. So nakalagay ito is super fine liner created at will on your brow. Long-lasting and smudge-proof, waterproof, anti-sweat, and glamorous round the clock. So because it's a tint, syempre alam naman natin na every eyebrow tint is smudge-proof, waterproof, and nagtatagal talaga sila ng within 24 hours. Yan. So, nakalagay lang din dito, meron siyang 6 months. You have to use this 6 months after opening. And then, this is made in China. And nakalagay naman dito lahat ng ingredients na makikita nyo. And this is 3.5 grams, guys. So, medyo madami na ba yun? Hindi ko lang alam. I can't compare it with the K-palette. Kasi ang tagalan ng K-palette ko na nandito. Parang a year na siya, nagagamit ko pa rin siya. At meron pa rin siyang tinta. Kaya, sobrang love na love ko siya. And this is my hope and wish dito kay Teviant na sana ganun din siyang katagal gamitin. Yan. So, when you open, guys, the product looks like this. Sobrang ganda niya, guys. Sobrang ganda. Very, very social. Sabi ko nga sa inyo, pwede na natin isabay ito sa mga high-end na mga, what do you call this? High-end products or brand abroad. Yan. So, it looks like this. Very sleek. It's a rose gold. Parang pen siya. Yung mga pen na nakikita ko sa National Bookstore na sobrang mamahal din, guys. Ganun yung itsura niya. And nakalagay lang dyan is Teviant. Sana makita nyo. Teviant. And then, Precision Eyebrow Tint na nakalagay dyan sa kabilang side. And this is not a twist cup, ha? Hindi siya nati-twist, guys. It's look like that. Sa ilalim lang, nandun lang yung Teviant Herself Eyebrow Tint, Milan, Italy. I guess yung mga products is like, siguro, galing sa Milan or Italy kasi nakalagay siya dito. And then, this was parang, tawag dito, binuo siya in China. Alam niyo naman, doon naman lagi talagang binubuo yung mga products na ginagamit natin mostly. Ng mga makeups and the likes. Yan. When you open this, it looks like this. Yan. So, ito yung usong-uso talagang mga itsura na mga tip na mga eyebrows. Yan. Because you can use this to create a hair-like, parang hair-like strokes. Ayan. Sabi ko hair-like drawings. Yan. Hair-like strokes. Ayan. Itsura niya. Yung kulay niya, this is the lightest shade, sabi ni Albert. And sabi sa website. So, meron pang dalawang shade which is yung her is the medium brown and yung she is the dark brown. Yon. So, tatlong shades lang siya, guys. So, ang nakalagay lang din dito is produce a 3D microbladed look. Yan. So, siguro kung mag-stroke ka talaga, like microblading, you'll create like that. Yan. Let's move on dun sa powder. So, powder, I used powder to fill in the spars, especially yung gitna. Hindi ko kasi ginagamit yung tint kasi syempre para tumagal siya, guys. Yun. So, I use powder most of the time para lang mas mag-create ako ng look na mas full brows. Powder duo looks like this. Diba? Ganun pa rin yung kanyang packaging. Peachy pink. Yan. And then, when you turn around, nakalagay lang dito, Teviant Eyebrow Duo Highness. Yun yung shade niya, yung Highness. And then, sa likod, nakalagay lang dito, emphasizing, fixing, and redesigning the eyebrows, or simply giving a more pronounced color is the prerogative of fixed eyebrow. A charge of pure pigment mixed in a vehicle with high binding power. Oh my God, sobra akong nanonosebleed. Hi, this is like 3 grams. Ganun pa rin siya. Manufacturing date is 2018, November, and expiration is 2021, November. And nakalagay dito, guys, is 24 months upon opening. So, mas matagal yung buhay ng powder. And it costs around 995 pesos. Yeah, I know, mahal siya. Oh, medyo mahal nga ito. Medyo mas mahal to compared dun sa tint. Kasi nga naman, ito is mas matagal mo itong magagamit, I guess. Mas matagal mo siyang magagamit, I guess, versus sa tint. Kasi pag tint, pag naiwan mo lang siya nakabukas, guys, matutuyo na siya agad, diba? Unlike this, kahit iwan mo nakabukas, hindi siya matutuyo. So anyway, the product, the packaging, it's rose gold, nakalagay dyan Teviant, and then dito sa likod, Highness Eyebrow Duo Powder Teviant, like that. It's a plastic, all of them are plastic, pero high-grade plastic, guys. And then when you open, looks like this, guys. Yan, mirror, tapos merong Teviant dyan, and then duo, and meron siyang, syempre, yung two-side niya na parang eyebrow. May spoolie, and then yung brush niya. Actually, ito yung ginagamit kong brush kasi parang mas perfect siya talaga pag ito yung ginamit ko. Unlike yung ginagamit ko na mga brush ng eyebrow. Siguro dahil matigas na rin sila dahil ang tagal na nila. Pero ito is perfect to draw. Yan. So, two shades siya, guys. Isang light, isang dark. You know kung bakit siya two shades because pwede mo siyang i-fill in yung dark side here and the lighter shade dito. Yan. So, let's watch. Ayan. So, para siyang yung, alam niyo yung truffle chocolate. Ganun yung ano niya. Ayan. Ito yung shade niya, guys. This is the darker one. And this is sobrang smooth din and buttery. And the lighter shade. Parang ito kasi parang reddish brown ba siya? Yeah, parang reddish brown. Ito parang light blonde brown. The dark brown, mocha brown, and parang itong reddish brown. Pero when combined naman silang tatlo, sobrang nagbe-blend naman sila. A little goes a long way. Isang tap ko lang doon, and then nalalay niya na talaga yung buong ganyan ko, guys. Yan. So, I guess medyo matagal mo talaga itong magagamit, guys. I guess mga 1 year and more. Pag ako kasi gumagamit talaga ng powder ng eyebrow. Sobrang tagal. Kasi nga, ang dami kong product, guys. Kasi nga, di pa tatlo. Ayan. So, it cost around $995. Medyo pricey, guys. Pero, kung gagamitin nyo naman sila ng matagalan, why not? Diba? And lastly is the eyebrow mascara. This is among the 3 that I got. Ito talaga yung pinaka-favorite ko talaga. Yung pinaka-gusto ko talaga, guys. So, anyway, the packaging look like this. Nakalagay pa rin dyan. Eyebrow gel, madam. Yan, madam. Wait lang. I-check natin kung ilan yung shade nung eyebrow powder. 3 shades also. So, may Empress, which is the dark brown. The Queen, which is the medium brown. And the Highness, which I have, which is the light brown. So, lahat pala light yung nakuha ko, guys. Hahaha. Ayan. So, that's it. So, let's move on sa eyebrow mascara or what they call the eyebrow gel. This is what it looks like. Yan, ganun pa rin naman siya, guys. And nakalagay lang dito, eyebrow gel, color madam. Iyon yung tawag dun sa color. And then here, pag tinest mo siya pang ganyan, meron siyang ingredients dyan. Hindi ko naiisa-isahin, guys. 3 grams din siya. Pare-pareha silang 3 grams. And when you turned around, meron dito yung kanyang Teviant.com, made in China. Yan. So, wala namang masyadong claims dito nakalagay sa kanyang box. Pero dito, ang nakalagay na claims ay, this special no-clump formulation allows for coverage while maintaining a natural look. With enough product on the one brush up to shape and to set eyebrows. They have 4 shades. Yan. So, ito yung madam, yung dark brown that I have. Then, lady is the medium brown. Dame is red brown. And the miss is the light brown. So, dark naman pala yung nakuha ko na to. Yan. But, it really complements naman dun sa aking eyebrows. Kasi nga, ang dami ko nga di mga na eyebrow hair. Yan. Tama ba? Nabuhok dun sa eyebrow. So, it complements naman. Yan. Kasi ito rin yung tinest out namin ni ate na mas babagay siya talaga dun sa aking eyebrow. Kasi kung light na lahat, sobrang magiging light pa siya. Pero, really wanted to try yung kanilang other shades. Siguro, I think I'll gonna get soon. Siguro yung medium brown. Try natin. Or yung light brown. Let's see. Kasi minsan gusto ko din medyo light dito, medyo dark dito. Yun. 4 months din pala siya, guys. Na very gustong-gusto ko siya, guys. Kasi, a little goes a long way, guys, eh. Parang, if this is 3 grams, so, sobrang tagal mo na rin siya magagamit kung konti lang naman yung ilalagay mo. Yan. So, the one looks like this. Manipis naman siya, guys. Pero medyo mahaba siya. Yan. If you are comparing this to Sunny's, yan. So, incomparable kasi nga, magkaiba naman talaga sila nung nung goal talaga sa brows. Yung kasi medyo manipis, pero konti lang din yung product. Pero ito yan. Manipis naman siya na medyo mahaba. Or mahaba yung pinaka-wand niya. So, madali lang din siyang ilagay sa sa eyebrow mo. Hindi din naman siya lalagpas. Yan. And what I really love this, talagang una pa lang siyang ganun. Hindi siya talagang natitame niya yung hair ng eyebrows nyo. Especially kung kasing dami ng eyebrows nyo, yung eyebrows ko. Ganung level, guys. Yan. Yun. So, I love this. And hindi ako nagsisisi na binili ko sila kahit medyo pricey sila and nasa mid-range sila because true enough naman na talaga namang maganda yung product na to. It's very promising talaga. Yan, guys. Ayan, ang tagal na niyan, Ayan. May sumama man, pero sobrang minimal. And when you look at my eyebrows, nandyan pa rin naman sila. So, imagine kung magdiring kayo. Yan. So, I guess ito yung recommended kong eyebrows set para sa inyo, guys. Yan. So, you have to really spend a little for the worth of the product, guys. Including your packaging and total package of the product. Yeah. So, anyway, that's about it, guys, for today. I'll update nyo kung ano pa yung mga malalaman ko about this product. So, anyway, thank you guys for watching. If you like this kind of videos, just give me some loving by liking this video. And don't forget to subscribe on my channel and leave your comment down below kung meron kayong gustong sabihin sa akin about this product or na-try nyo na ba siya. I'm very, very much willing to read all your comments. Yeah. So, I'll see you on my next video. Bye!